Hey guys, today my brother is kind of sick, so I'll be doing the burping challenge. I I haven't tried the 5 minute burping challenge, so I'm gonna try doing that. Okay, good. That was horrible. So I'm actually gonna try again. Oh my god, I'm horrible at burping, I will admit. So, you know what? Forget it. I'm just gonna try doing the loudest burp that I can do. So, yeah, let's just do it. Okay, that was not good. Okay, guys, I'm really not getting this. You know what? I'm just gonna try one last time. That was not so loud. Okay, guys, so that was the best burping I can do. And yeah, leave a like. Thank you.